In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on Salesforce on a PC using a few simple methods. Now, you might have noticed that Salesforce itself doesn't have a built-in zoom feature. Instead, zooming in and out is handled through your web browser. So whether you want to make the information on your screen look bigger and easier to read, or if you want more to fit on your display, I'll walk you through exactly how to adjust the zoom. We'll also go over how to quickly get things back to normal if you ever need to. Let's start with the quickest and easiest way, using your keyboard. If you want to zoom in and make everything on your Salesforce page appear larger, simply hold down the Control key on your keyboard and tap the plus key. Each tap will increase the zoom level a bit more, so you can easily adjust to whatever's comfortable for you. If you ever want to make things smaller, do the same thing, but press the minus key while holding down the Control key. This will zoom out, allowing you to see more information on your screen at once. Now, if you need to get back to the original view, you don't need to guess which zoom level is normal. Just hold down the Control key and press the 0 key. This handy shortcut puts everything back to its default size, which is really helpful if you've been playing around with zoom levels and things start looking a little too big or too small. If you prefer using your mouse, there's a quick way for that as well. Hold down the Control key, and while you're holding it, use the scroll wheel on your mouse. Rolling the wheel upwards will zoom in, making text and images larger. Rolling it downwards will zoom out, giving you that broader view. This method feels pretty natural once you try it, and is great for making small adjustments on the fly. Finally, if you'd rather use your browser's built-in controls, that's easy too, especially if you're using a browser like Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Just look for the three dots menu at the top right corner of your browser window. Click there to open the menu, and you'll see a section labeled Zoom. There's usually a plus button you can click to zoom in or a minus button to zoom out, and the percentage will update so you can see exactly where you're at. That's all there is to it. Whichever method you choose, zooming in and out on Salesforce is quick and straightforward, and it can make your experience much more comfortable, especially if you find yourself working with lots of data or long hours at the computer. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to control your view in Salesforce with ease.